This is the bridge exercise. So you're going to want to lie down on your back. Your knees are bent and your feet are flat on the ground, and we want our heels to be pretty close to our butt. We don't want them farther out towards the edge of the end of the mat. We want them closer to your butt. So go ahead and scooch them close. And what we're going to do for the bridge is we're basically going to be lifting our buttocks up into the air. But before you do that, I would like to challenge you to do a couple things first, just to make sure that we are controlling for any potential pain that you may have, especially in your low back with this exercise, and also making sure that you're really fully engaging your glutes and not overusing muscles in your back, which may want to kick in, okay? So you're gonna be lying here on your back. First, I want you to brace your core muscles. And by that, I just mean gently tighten up your core. So go ahead and tighten. This is not at full intensity. It's just a gentle tightening of your abdominal muscles that you would normally do as if someone was going to poke you in the stomach, that type of tightening. Hold that. And then I want you to gently squeeze your glute muscles. So you're gently squeezing your buttocks. And now I want you to slowly lift your butt up off of the mat while you're still tightening the core, still tightening the glute muscles, and lift your buttocks all the way up. And what you're aiming for is a straight line from the knees to the pelvis to the shoulder, really engaging your glute muscles. And we're holding this for about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, still tightening the core, still keeping the glutes nice and tight. I want you to, in a controlled manner, really lower your buttocks down towards the mat. And then you can fully relax, take a little break before you start your next repetition. And that is your bridge.